So, happy evening, friends. Happy evening and good wishes to my students. Dear students, today I would like to explain you about 7 practical ways to improve yourself. Everybody wants to improve further. That's quite common in anybody's life, no? So, if you want to improve further in our career or in your life later, what should be the practical ways to be followed to improve your life? So today I suggest you 7 practical ways to improve yourself. First point is identify your drawbacks. That is very essential. Unless and until you know your drawbacks, how can you improve further? If you know your drawbacks, by correcting them, you can improve further. So, the first and foremost thing to improve in your career is to identify your mistakes or to identify your drawbacks. What are your drawbacks? If you identify your drawbacks, you can set right them. And you can mend your behavior, or you can change your way of reading, or you can change your way of talking to other persons, whatever it may be. First and foremost thing is you will have to identify your drawbacks. After identifying, we can change them if the need is there. Okay. The first thing is identify your drawbacks. Second thing is always be a people person. So your colleagues should come to see you. So your colleagues want to see you, and your colleagues always want to move along with you because they derive pleasure, they derive happiness, they develop confidence, they are inspired in your presence. You should be a person of like that. You should be a student of like that. When other students are attracted towards you, when they feel happy, when they feel confident in your presence, you automatically will also develop confidence, and that gives you a lot of self-confidence, that boosts up your positivity, and so that what happens, that improves your career or life further. The next one is start taking care of yourself. Very important. If you want to help others, not at your cost. If you want to help your classmate, not wasting your time. So first and foremost thing, you must take care about yourself. You must be physically fit, you must be mentally fit, and you must be socially fit. A well-being of physical, mental and social status is health. Any deviation from a feeling of well-being mentally, socially, physically is nothing but disease. So first and foremost thing, if you want to improve in your life, that is one of the foremost things, is to take care of yourself. When you take care about yourself, other things will automatically come to you. But if you want to help the fellow human being, not at the cost of you, if you have 100 rupees, if you donate 90 rupees, how you will lead your life? And if you are spending time of explaining the content which you have learned in the classroom to a person who did not understand in the classroom the whole day, when do you read? So, and first take care about yourself, then help others. Okay? The next one is, and you must be always easygoing person. Don't make things complicated. take things easily, simply, slowly. If there are problems, try to solve it. But don't be emotional in solving the problems. Take it in a simple way. And if it is a problem not related to your individuality, it is not if it's not a problem of an individual level, if it is a social problem, don't take it into personally. So be simple man. Be things so easily. Don't make things complicated. So that is another important point. Very importantly, if you want to improve further, you must have a lot of self-confidence. So you must believe in your capabilities that I can improve further. I have that ability. So always be confident. And another important seventh factor, very essential factor, is discipline. And you must follow what you want to do. And so the very important thing, so you must lead your life in a disciplined way. That is very important. So by following these 7 principles which I have discussed, 7 ways which I have told you, you can improve your life further. These are the practical ways of improving one's life. Hope that you can follow this and improve further and get what you want in your life. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.